Today, we're visiting Gamcheon Culture Village, one of Busan's top attractions. Shall we explore this unique village filled with colorful houses on the hillside? A long line of visitors waits to take photos with the village mascot, the Little Prince. We've arrived at the entrance of the village. The pastel-colored houses create a unique and charming atmosphere. After getting off the bus and following the crowd, you naturally end up on this street. The streets are lively with excited visitors again today. The village is full of food and attractions that catch your eye. Every corner offers another great photo spot. Browsing the cute souvenir shops is also part of the fun. The scenery is so beautiful, you can't help but stop and admire it. These colorful stairs look like stacks of books. Even walking up and down these stairs feels fun and unique. Now, let's briefly look at the history and location of Gamcheon Culture Village. The village is located in Sahagu, in southwestern Busan. It's also not far from Busan Station, making it easy to visit. The village began during the Korean War in the 1950s. By the 1960s, around 3,000 residents had settled here. Homes built along the steep hillside created the village's unique shape. In 2009, the village began a dramatic transformation through a renewal project. Gray alleys were filled with colorful murals and painted houses. During the first 3 years, many residents were disappointed by the slow results. But over time, word spread and more visitors began to arrive. From only 20,000 visitors a year, it grew into a landmark visited by over 3 million people annually. Today, Gamcheon Culture Village is known as one of the world's best urban renewal projects. But behind its success, there is also a darker side. Since 2011, tourist numbers have soared, while the local population has sharply declined. Despite its fame as an art museum without a roof, more empty homes are appearing in the village. The village could not escape the challenges of aging and population decline. This is not only Gamcheon's problem, but a shared issue across many Korean cities. Now, it must find new ways to achieve sustainable growth with its residents. Still, warm messages and beautiful murals continue to fill the alleys.
Myself in a cardboard box, feelings hidden deep down. I found a speck now.
I slowly explore the narrow alleys and stairways throughout the village.
You're not one you get.
As I walk, I begin to wonder why so many people love this place.
I linger as the ground shakes.
Of course, the colorful houses, maze-like alleys, mountains, and ocean views are beautiful.
Every morning,
But there is something else that makes Gamcheon truly special.
if only you'd known it when you had me.
It is the constant effort and communication between residents and the local government.
Call me a bad name.
Busan's vibrant energy and strong public safety also add to its charm.
Promise you
Like the little prince sharing hope and dreams, Gamcheon has become a place that inspires hope through art.
want something else, but I end up here. You give.
As darkness falls, Gamcheon sparkles like scattered jewels at night.
I linger as the ground shakes. Paper cuts on what could have been.
At night, Gamcheon Culture Village leaves a different and deeper impression than it does during the day.
Does matter if only you'd known it when you had me. You had to call me a bad name.
That's all for today's journey. Thank you for watching until the end.